Divyansh. I am from India. I am now in Normandy, but in my home state is Odisha. So I have bought a binocular. In this box there is a binocular. Let's see what is inside it. It is really binocular or something else. I will not use my Indian scissors. I will use my Indian process. Yeah. Oh wow! It is the Cason binocular. Boy, I like this. It is very heavy duty. It is very heavy. I am no. It's advanced word. Heavy duty. It has a good packaging. Here is the back side. Here is the Cason. Explore more from Cason. It says so. Explore the. It's like a monocular, tripod, action camera, telescope. Here is the Casons are. Here is the QR code, and here is the some information, and it has a photo. Let's open it first. Here tape. I hate tapes. I have to use. I have shown a bag, a handbag, like a premium. We can take like this and keep it anywhere. When we can take, we can use both hands and not to use your hands. If you don't want to keep like this, simply you take it out and take the bag and go. Let's unbox. Its bag is so good. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Here is the best part. Binocular. Here is the thing that it is the napkin to clean the lenses. Here is the main part, the binocular. First I am going to show this. It is a syncytial gel. Do not eat it. It is not a chocolate. It is good for seeing. Now here, wow. Oh, look at this. Look, here is the lens. This one. And this is to keep in our neck. If you don't want to keep, take it out and you can look like this. Wow, this blue lens. I can see proper. like this. It is good. We can adjust it like this, and you can see properly. Not like this, so you can do like this. Here are two, two that parts to join this, and the next video, in the part 2, I'll show how it works. Now I'll go to show how it's view, and then in the video ends. But there will be part 2. I will tell every future features in this binocular, and also tell this how to joint it. Let's come. Now I am ready to check this out, and I will also show you how it's view. Come to the balcony. I can see the white car proper and so near. Come, I am going to. Sorry guys, today I can't show. In the part 2 I can show. That's why I am telling sorry. And thanks for watching the video. And thank you. And have a nice day. And